The painting you're about to see is called Threads of Stars. In a few moments, it will be revealed for the very first time. The inspiration for this painting came to me late at night while I was trying to write notes and draw random things in my sketchbook in a desperate quest for ideas. As I was getting tired and progressively losing hope that I could ever find a key to unlock the chains of my imagination, I wrote a sentence out of nowhere. What if all this is written in the stars? Is there a sacred fire we can burn to resist? This is where Threads of Stars came from. I can't really explain what this painting means, just like I can't explain the mess we're into here on Earth. The inspiration for the fire character in the center came to me after seeing images of protesters throwing cocktail molotovs. I don't remember what this was all about. Chaos as usual, I guess. It was a terrible and unfortunate sight, but the fire was so beautiful and divine. The grace of the flames almost felt like they were from a different world. Nothing of the chaos around was disturbing their mesmerizing dance, and yet they were an integral part of the chaos, ultimately causing the destruction and havoc. How can something cause such chaos yet feel so distant from it? In this composition, everything is staged. The characters are like actors on a stage. Everything is artificial, everything is made out of cardboard. Even the fallen plants on the ground. Everything is man-made, fake, and yet, in the middle of all this, the fire, eternally winding around itself, indifferent to the chaos it causes. And maybe, after all, the chaos doesn't come from the fire itself. I don't have a specific story to tell about this painting. The only thing I know is that it's about fatality and determinism. It's about destiny and about what or who is in control of it. Fatality is the idea that everything is written in the stars and that there's nothing we can do to avoid it. Whereas determinism is the idea that if we can predict what will happen with enough accuracy, if we can go all the way up the chains of cause and effect, we can avoid what's coming to us by changing the cause. Ultimately, this painting is about the mystery of our being and our free will. I don't know if something or someone is pulling all the threads of our destiny, but I'm sure about one thing: we are condemned to be free through it all. I'm sure there are many interpretations, and I, as the creator, don't necessarily have the best one. As I often say, the poetry only works if it emerges out of your imagination. Thank you very much for watching. Joy and inspiration to you.